Hello, guys, and welcome back to the Taste and Bloom Kitchen. Today, we are making these 10 minutes sausage rolls. You're going to love this, especially for the kids, so stay tuned. So, I have my slices of bread here. I've cut out the crust. I'm going to be using it in another recipe, which you should watch out for in my next video, okay? Don't throw them away. And then once my crust is cut out, I'm going to go ahead and roll my bread slices. So I'm aiming at flattening it so that it's easier to use, okay? So for this recipe, you can use any bread of your choice, okay? After I'm done flattening all the slices, I'm going to set that aside. And then I have here some egg and a splash of milk, which I'm going to use to seal my sausage rolls, okay? So my sausage is on the slice now. As you can see, I brushed off a bit of my egg wash there and then attempted to, or not attempted to, but sealed my bread slice with the sausage in there. And then I went ahead to do it for the rest of the slices as well. For the sealing, you can use water, but I'm going to be using the egg wash a bit again later on. So that's why I did it from the beginning anyway. So once that is done, because these are for the kids, I'm going to cut them up into smaller bits, but you can leave them as they are, okay? Now I'll arrange my sausage rolls on my baking tray and then give them a bit of an egg wash. This moment my oven is preheating at 200 degrees Celsius. Once I'm done egg washing the sausage rolls, I'm going to pop them in the oven for a few minutes. Once they brown, they are okay. So this recipe is great for those very quick mornings when there's school or when the kids are giving you pressure for certain recipes and like you don't have the strength, okay? If you're new here, my name is Yasmi. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my videos. I hope you try this very simple recipe, but before you go away, please don't forget to give me a like, leave a comment down below, and share this video once you are done watching. And until I see you again in another recipe, please don't forget to keep blooming.